we need cars, vehicles that operate on a low emission or zero emission basis. That's the reason why we really look forward for the new e-cell, the Sprinter e-cell version.
The connectivity of the van enables us to get better control of the vehicle. It helps us help our drivers. Our drivers are ambassadors for our business. We want them to get to our customers stress-free and happy and make the customer experience as valuable and as pleasant as possible. We believe the features of that vehicle will aid our drivers in achieving that.